my mum, my wife, my mother-in-law, they're always complaining how hard it is to buy me gifts. So I thought I'd make this video my top 5 suggestions for gifts for your brother, father, husband, boyfriend, any man in your life. All my suggestions in this video I've reviewed on this channel before, so check out the links below to see individual review videos of each of these items, and you can also see links below as to where you can buy them on Amazon. So my number 5 is some kind of smart plug. There's loads of different ones available. They work with Siri, they work with Alexa, they work with Google Home, and you can set them to do all kinds of things in your house. My number 4 is a wireless QI charger for their smartphone. Even if they've already got one, everyone can do with more. You can put them on your desk, you can put them on your bedside cabinet, in the kitchen, wherever you put your phone down, they can charge it. My number 3 is something a little bit specific. If they're into coffee, then get them a milk frother. I've reviewed a few on this channel, and I can tell you they are an excellent way to pimp up your homemade coffees. My number 2, now this one's a little bit more expensive, but hear me out, it's a pressure washer. Not only is he going to have a great time blasting the dirt off his car, blasting the dirt off the patio, but you're going to get cleaner everything. My number 1 suggestion for the man who has everything is a drone. Now, you don't have to spend hundreds and hundreds of pounds to get a drone. You can get some really budget-friendly drones. You know, don't go for a DJI unless they're really into trying drones. Go for something, a Chinese manufacturer like Cyma or someone like that. You can get a fairly decent drone with a camera and remote control for £50–60 on Amazon quite easily. I hope you found this video useful. Let me know in the comments below what you're going to buy for your brother, husband, father, boyfriend for Christmas, birthday, all that kind of thing. Make sure to subscribe to be notified of my latest videos, and I'll see you in the next one.